Hey guys, welcome back to Confessions of a Girl Boss. I am so excited to finally be filming this video. I am here to share all of the details with you on Planner Boss Academy because we are officially opening our doors for enrollment tomorrow. I am so excited. You guys, you have no idea. I'm so excited about this. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you obviously didn't stay to the end of my last video to see the sneaky link that I left there. But basically, Planner Boss Academy is a new online course that I have created especially for planner shop owners looking to take their business to the next level. Okay, so I wanted to go back and kind of talk about why I created Planner Boss Academy. So I have had this idea to create a course for shop owners who are struggling for years. So throughout my time of running a sticker shop and being in the community, I talked to a lot of shop owners who were really struggling, a lot of people who were spinning the wheels in their business and not sure why all of their efforts just weren't paying off. They were working 60-hour weeks and just exhausted trying to keep up with the community and trying to get their name out there. And as I was talking to all of these shop owners, I knew that I wanted to create some sort of resource where I could be a guide for people. I built my shop up to a 6-figure business within a year of opening it. And honestly, I learned so much along the way. And I took a lot of courses throughout my time of being a shop owner and even after being a shop owner. And I knew that traditional business courses weren't really going to cut it for the planner community. We do things very differently here. And you needed a guide that had been through what you are going through, who has been where you've been, and who has grown to where you want to grow. And I knew I really wanted to be that guide for you. So I swear I have had this idea in the back of my head to create a course since the podcast days. I've been thinking about it. So to be sitting here and to be announcing this, that enrollment is opening tomorrow, is just so surreal. It's such a long time coming. So before I get into what you actually get included within Planner Boss Academy, I wanted to talk a little bit about who Planner Boss Academy is actually for, because it's not for everybody and nothing is for everybody. So Planner Boss Academy is for two groups of people. So the first group of people are the people who are running their shops and they're turning the wheels and doing everything right. They're just not getting traction. They're working 60-hour weeks and they're just not understanding why they're not getting seen, why people aren't buying their products, and they don't know what they can do to push past this barrier that seems to be in their way. So the second group of people are the people who are sitting on the sidelines and they don't know where to start, but they have dreams of opening a planner shop. Maybe they're spending hundreds of dollars on stickers and planner accessories every month, knowing that they can absolutely do this, but they don't have the courage and the self-motivation and the confidence to actually go for it. So Planner Boss Academy will officially be kicking off on September 28th, and we are going to be running for 6 weeks. But don't worry, with your purchase of the course, you are going to be getting lifetime access. So that means you get a lifetime to go back and watch all of the videos and relearn everything that you learned, but also you get any update that I do to Planner Boss Academy throughout the lifetime of the course. So with Planner Boss Academy, what you're going to get is a 6-week course that is going to be dripped out to you week by week. So what is so great about this founding members group is, one, I'm keeping it super small. You guys are really getting the opportunity to help mold Planner Boss Academy and shape it into what it's going to be in future releases. So I'm going to be getting so much feedback from you on what you actually need to help you push past those barriers. What are you struggling with on a daily basis? Is it marketing on Instagram? Is it staying consistent on Instagram? Is it figuring out a release schedule that works for you but also works for your customers? Is it building a customer base to start with? Are your designs needing work? Are you struggling converting views into sales when people land on your Etsy or Shopify site? I am going to be tailoring this course for you, and that is why it's going to be dripped out each week. So throughout the 6 weeks, we are going to be going through the foundations of business. And if you already have a shop and you haven't gone through the foundations, don't worry, because it is not too late. But we are going to be going over mindset and why it is so important, how you can attract your ideal customer, what setting up a shop schedule that works for you actually looks like. We're going to be going through how to set up your Etsy or Shopify store to actually convert when somebody lands on it. We're going to be going over Instagram and how to attract your ideal customer and actually get seen in a sea of pictures. And then we're going to be going through the advanced stuff like email automation and targeting and how we can attract customers through your YouTube channel and everything in between. And I am so excited to bring this course to you guys and see you grow and thrive. So with Planner Boss Academy, you're going to get over 20 lessons that are pre-recorded so you can watch them as often as you need. You can go back, rewind, watch at whatever speed you need, and I will walk you through the whole thing. But most lessons also come with worksheets and additional resources for you to use to help you master that lesson. But since this is the founding members launch, I couldn't launch without giving you guys a ton of extra free stuff. So as a founding member, you also get access to a new course that is not going to be launched to the public until after your 6 weeks are up. So you have 6 weeks of a head start on everybody else. This course is called The Silhouette Files. I thought that was a really cool name. I don't know if I'm just like being a mom right now. But this course is designed specifically for the new shop owners who don't know their way around Silhouette and don't know how to make a sticker to save their lives. So this course is going to be full of all of the tutorials that you need to master Silhouette and to make your stickers on there. In the Silhouette Files, we're also going to be covering the importance of different layouts on your sheets and how you can lay them out to optimize space, but also make it easy for customers to understand. My founding members will also be getting access to the Planner Boss hashtag bank, and that is a hard word to say, but it is a Google Doc you will have access to that has hundreds of hashtags for you to copy and paste into your Instagram so that you never have to second guess when you're trying to figure out a hashtag to use. On top of this, all of my founding members are going to be getting 6 weekly live group coaching calls with me where we can go over each lesson and have a Q&A and really dive deep into what we learned that week so you know that you're making the most not only of how much money you're spending on the course, but of what you're learning and you're implementing it correctly in your business. So these group coaching calls are not only going to be an amazing way to get my feedback on what you're thinking with the lessons, to get your questions answered, but to also bounce ideas off other members of the community. On top of this, you are also going to get access to the Planner Boss Academy Facebook group, which is going to be a subscription-based group in the future, but for right now, it is exclusive for my founding members. I'm going to be in there every single day offering additional trainings, additional worksheets, and support in any way that I can. Okay, now it's time to talk about the Fast Action Taker bonus because this is probably the most exciting part. So, Planner Boss Academy opens its doors for enrollment tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you are one of the first 10 people to enroll in Planner Boss Academy, you are going to be getting a 45-minute phone call with me where we can do a deep dive on your business. And I am so excited about this. My eyes are going to be laser focused on your business and helping you out in any way that you need help. And what's great about this 45-minute call is even if you don't have a shop yet, you can choose to use this call throughout the entire 6 weeks that this program is running. So since we do kick off our lessons on September 28th, you have until the 28th of September all the way up until November 9th to use this call. So that is only going to the first 10 people who enroll. So if you want to grab one of those free 45-minute laser focused sessions, put on your alarm for 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Or is it Eastern Daylight Time? I don't know what it is. It's 12 o'clock on the East Coast. You know what I mean. I didn't want to leave the rest of the founding members out. So if you are not one of the first 10 people to enroll, I will be giving you a free business audit. Now, this will not be in a phone call setting. This will just be me sending you a questionnaire, figuring out what you're struggling with, and then me solo looking at your business and giving you my feedback. This will still be done at a super high level to give you as much value-packed feedback as I possibly can. And I'll be doing it over video where you can see my screen so you can see exactly what I'm looking at when I'm talking about it. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm like so nervous that I'm going to miss something. But you guys, I am so excited for Planner Boss Academy. I hope that you will take some time to think about joining this course because I know if I had had a course like this when I was first starting my planner shop, I would have jumped at the chance. There aren't a lot of opportunities within this community to get this sort of coaching and feedback and learning from someone who has been where you want to go. So I would have honestly jumped at this chance, not to mention the community factor of it. I am so excited to hang out with you guys in the Facebook group, hang out with you guys in our group calls, and just really create a Planner Boss Academy friend group. Is that weird? Okay, so set your alarms because the cart is only going to be open for 1 week. And I promise you, if you do not get it at this round, you are going to regret it. Future releases, the price will not be this low. I can promise you that. And you will also not be receiving the weekly free group coaching calls or the audit or the potential free 45-minute Zoom call. So set your alarms. You do not want to miss this. Trust me, you are going to have FOMO if you do not sign up for this course and join us because it's going to be a lot of fun. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm going to get going because I'm just rambling now and this is like not what you want. But if you have any questions, leave it in a comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. I'll be all over Instagram and in the comments today and over the next week. So send me a message over there and I will see you inside Planner Boss Academy. Okay, bye. I'm sweating. It's hot.